Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to follow all of your Instagram followers on Threads. So this is your Threads account. Then go for in this profile icon here. Now go for in this world icon here. So click on it and go for profiles you follow. So you can see uh, I follow I'm following just three profiles. Then in this here you can see all option here. So click on it, and this is all of your follow counts of your Instagram. You can follow all of these accounts by clicking in this follow all, or otherwise you can just go for in this follow option and you can click on it and follow them, or just go for follow all. So this is how you can follow all of your Instagram on Threads. So hope this video helped to you. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.